So welcome to this class. So in the last class we started the permutation and combination, and we have seen some of the very basic day-to-day life examples where we have seen the main objective was to understand the principle of addition and the principle of multiplication. So whenever you get the or, whenever you have options, okay, any either of the given options, then we go for the or, that is a addition principle. And if we have to consider each and every option, given each and every option, then there is a principle of multiplication comes in picture. So we have seen a number of different examples. So how many different menus we can have in a hotel, how many different number of words by numbers I can form, how many different numbers, the even numbers or the divisible by 5 or the 5 digit number. There's so many different conditions we have seen. Okay, so based on that we will see one more question, and directly we will jump to the exercise 3.1. okay, so the question is like this. So how many even numbers can be formed? Okay, so today's first example. So how many even numbers can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 5, 8, 9? How many? So even number bola hai means what the condition is at the units place, and understand the question. How many even numbers can be formed? Okay, how many even numbers can be formed? Very first question. That is not given. We have to find out the number of even numbers we can form. Okay, so very good. The question arises to you that how many digit. Very excellent question. Okay, so as the condition is not given, that is means the number of digits is not given, so what we have to consider? All the possible even numbers. So first possible is what? The case number 1 will be what? Single digit or one digit even number. Yes or no? So we have to consider one digit even numbers. So one digit even number कौन कौन है? 2 and 8. So only two options I have here. For one digit even number. So case 2 क्या हो गया फिर? 2 digit even numbers. So 2 digit even number मतलब कैसा करोगे अभी? So first 1 digit and 10 digit and the unit digit. So how many options you have for the unit digit? Only two options. Either you can fill this place by 2 or 8. So as you are saying or, we have to add these two options. So only two options I have for the units place. Now you have used one digit out of these 5 digits. So how many digits are remaining, or how many options are remaining for the 10th place? 4. काय सांगितलं मी? Out of these 2 and 8, you have used one digit here at the units place. So let's suppose we have used 8. Now how many options are remaining for the 10th place? These are the 4. Okay, so in total I want the total 2 digit number, so I have to consider the 10th place and the first place, unit place. So that's why we multiply this. That is a 4 into 2. What is the answer is? 4 into 2 is 8. So there are 8 even numbers we have, or 2 digit even numbers. What will be the case 3 then? Case 3 will be 3 digit even numbers. 3 digit even numbers. So 3 digit even numbers means first digit, second digit and third digit. Again, how many options you have for the units place? Same, 2 options. Tens place la kiti option hai? 4 options, because you have used one number out of 5. So 4 options. Now tell me how many options you have for the 100th place? 3 options. That's it. Very good. I hope this is clear, everyone. Is it okay? Perfect. So in total I want all the 3 digit numbers. So I have to consider all of these 3. So 3 into 4 into 2, that will be the total number of numbers I will be having. 12 दूनी 24. So 24 numbers I can have. 3 digit even numbers. So let's go for the 4 digit then. Case 4. So I want a 4 digit even numbers. 4 digit बोला है. Okay. How many options you have for the units place? 2. Then for tens place 4. Then 100th place 3. 4th place is 2. So your answer will be 2 into 3 into 4 into 2, which is nothing but 48. Then the last, the case number 5, I want a 5 digit even numbers. So 5 digit even number मतलब कितना हो गया बॉस? 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ पे 2 ऑप्शंस आएंगे, यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे 2 और यहाँ पे 1. So that's it. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 2. So this is nothing but 48 again. Is this okay? So what will be your answer then? Answer to this question is what? Yes, anyone? What will be the answer to this question? 1 डिजिटचे 2 नंबर्स आहेत आपल्याकडे, 2 डिजिटचे 8 नंबर आहेत. Excellent, excellent. Addition of all these cases. Why principle of addition comes in picture? Because they are asking for the even number. So even number could be anything. It may be the 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit or 5 digits. That's why we add all these cases. So therefore total even numbers is equals to कितना गया? 48 plus 48 plus 24 plus 12. हाँ, उसके बाद 12 नहीं है, 8 and 2. So we have 8 and 2. 8 plus 2. So कितना आ गया ये? 8 दूनी 16, 4 दूनी 8 9. ये हो गया 12 by 130. Yes, carry 1. Okay, so this will be 130. So based on the given condition we have to manipulate the options here. आता तुम्हाला जर म्हणलं की how many numbers are there which are divisible by 5, then what you will do? We will consider only one option in this case, which is 5. Is this okay? So remember the only one thing, that is whenever the question says the or whenever your solution is looking for or, go for addition, and if it is for and, then go for multiplication. That's it. This is the only fundamental, this is the only key to solve each and every question from the permutation and combination. Is this okay? So let's see the application, and let's see some different types of questions here. Other type of question we can have is the question number, example number 2. Okay, today's example number 2. Suppose I have 5 chocolates. Suppose I have 5 chocolates with me. क्या बोलते हैं, कैडबरी. ठीक है, suppose I have 5 Cadburys with me and I have suppose 4 students. Okay, now I want to distribute these 5 Cadburys to 4 students. I want to give 5 Cadburys to 4 students, and condition is nothing. Means what? Any number of student can get any number of chocolates. मतलब ये पांचों के पांचों चॉकलेट्स एक ही स्टूडेंट को जा सकता है. और you may have some of the students will not get any chocolate. Are you getting? So in how many ways you can distribute these 5 Cadburys to 4 students such that no condition is given. No condition is given means what? Any number of students can get any number of Cadburys. म्हणजे असं नाही की सगळ्यांना चॉकलेट भेटायलाच पाहिजे, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है कंडीशन. कंडीशन क्या है कि आप पांचों के पांचों चॉकलेट एक ही स्टूडेंट को दे सकते हो. सो हाउ यू विल सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन? सी, अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. 5 चॉकलेट तुम्हाला डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करायचे. एक छोटासा फिगर काढतो, इट विल बी व्हेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर अंडरस्टँडिंग दिस क्वेश्चन. सो लेट्स बघूया आपण. येस ऑफकोर्स, कारण कसं आहे मल्टिप्लिकेशन प्रिन्सिपल कधी येतं जेव्हा तुम्हाला सगळ्याच गोष्टी तुम्हाला यूज करतात अँड यू हॅव पाचीच्या पाच मीन्स वॉट, फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड अँड थर्ड अँड फोर्थ अँड फिफ्थ असं येणार आहे. सो डेफिनेटली हिअर यू विल बी हॅव्हिंग दी मल्टिप्लिकेशन थेरम. Okay, now see here, suppose these are the 5 students we have, 4 student, 3 4. Okay, and suppose these are the 5 Cadbury's we have, 1 2 3 4 and 5 Cadbury's, 4 students. Now you want to distribute the chocolates. Okay, now tell me, if I pick the first chocolate, how many options you have to distribute this chocolate? 4 options. कारण this one chocolate can be given to this guy or this guy or this or this. Means what? This Cadbury is having 4 ways, 4 options to distribute the chocolate. Yes, means you can give to this person or this person. Similarly, how many options you have for this chocolate, second chocolate, to distribute? Again 4, because condition is what? No condition, you can give to any number of chocolates to any number of students. Okay, means what? हे चॉकलेट इथे जाऊ शकतं किंवा इथे जाऊ शकतं किंवा इथे किंवा इथे. Again this chocolate is having 4 options. What about this third? Again 4. What about fourth? Again 4. Fifth? Again 4. Now what you will do with this 4 4 4 4? Read the question once again. I want to distribute first chocolate and second chocolate and third chocolate and fourth and fifth. So what we will do? We will multiply. Yes, we will multiply all these chocolates. Excellent, very good. So if you understand this concept ना boss, कोई भी हाथ नहीं पकड़ेगा अपना. So answer कितना गया? 4/5. And trust me, हे क्वेश्चन्स असे आहेत की यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टँड जस्ट बाय लुकिंग द सोल्युशन्स. इन युअर टेक्स्टबुक असेल, तुमच्या गाईडमध्ये असतील, कारण खूप डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह वेमध्ये सांगितलेल्या आहेत गोष्टी. सो यू हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड द कन्सेप्ट. ओके, दिस इज द इझिएस्ट वे आय एम टेलिंग यू. दिस इज द इझिएस्ट वे टू अंडरस्टँड द क्वेश्चन्स फ्रॉम द PNC, permutation and combination. Is this okay? Good, very good. Okay, so without any further delay, let's directly start the exercise 3.1. So let me have one different page here. So exercise 3.1, let me have the grids here. Okay, yes, good. Ekach minute. Okay, let me take the question directly. See, the questions are what bit descriptive. Of course descriptive questions असणार PNC मध्ये. So let me take the first question. Okay, and let me paste here. Okay, now see, understand this question. A teacher, question दिसतंय सगळ्यांना? Good. A teacher wants to select a class monitor in a class of 30 boys and 20 girls. Understand the question. In how many ways can the monitor be selected if the monitor must be either a girl or a boy? Okay, what is the total given condition is? Question समझ रहा है? A teacher wants to select a class monitor. एक स्टूडेंट को क्लास मॉनिटर करके सेलेक्ट करना है. ठीक है. सो इन टोटल क्लास वी हैव 30 बॉयज. In class we have total 30 boys and total 20 girls we have. And teacher wants to select only one student. Either the student is girl or the boy. So in how many ways she can do it? Yes, tell me, how many ways she can do it? How many options she is having? Okay, Okay, see here, understand. Okay, very good, you all are giving the good try. See here, a teacher wants to select one student from 30 boys and, sorry, or not and, one student is getting selected either from boys or from girls. Tell me how many options you have for boys. एक स्टूडेंट तुम्हाला पिक करायचा आहे. One student you have to pick. Okay, so how many options, in how many ways you can fill the boys here? 30 options you have for boys, or you have the 20 girls here. So in total how many options you are having? 50 options. 50 options means for a class monitor. बघा ना यार, सरळ सर आता एवढं, आता हे क्वेश्चन तुम्ही रिअल टाईममध्ये आणा तुमच्या क्लासरूममध्ये. तुमच्या क्लासमध्ये 30 बॉय आहेत आणि 20 गर्ल्स आहेत आणि एकालाच मला मॉनिटर करायचं आहे, तर किती ऑप्शन आहेत आपल्याकडे? त्या 50 मधून कोणी येऊ शकतं. सो दॅट्स वॉट, दॅट इज द आन्सर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. सो 30 बॉयज or 20 girls. Is this okay? So there are 50 ways in which a teacher can select a student for a class monitor. Is this okay? Okay, अभी इसको लिखना कैसा है, डिस्क्रिप्टिव में लिखना कैसा है इसको देखो, ते महत्वाचं. गुड. सी हियर, in a class total boys 30, total girls 20. A student is getting selected, or we'll write down in this way. Teacher selects a student either girl or boy. Okay, so because of this or, what we have, therefore using principle of addition, yes, what you have, 30 plus 20 which is equals to 50. So there are, so a teacher can select a monitor in 50 ways. A teacher can select a monitor in 50 ways. Is this okay? Perfect. So let's see the next question now. Okay, so here we go. Now read the question. See, understanding the question is the first step to solve the question. A signal is generated from two flags. Okay, by putting one flag above the other. If 4 flags of different colors are available, how many different signals can be generated? Simple question है, ठीक है. Suppose एक scenario है अपने पास and I want to generate a signal. Okay, suppose this is one signal, one board we have, and in this board we have 2 slots. Okay, so having the different colors, so red color इथे असेल, इथे white असेल, this means what, it is a one signal. Or you may have the white here, you may have white, and here you may have red, that is another signal. It is red white, white red, कुठलेही n number of signals you can generate here. Okay, आता सांगितलं काय त्यांनी, what they are saying, a signal is generated from two flags. Okay, means this is one signal by putting the one flag above the other. So in total, how many flags you have? 4 flags I have. 4 different colors flags I am having. So with the help of these 4 different flags, how many signals you can generate? आता ह्या 4 मधून मला कुठलेही 2 यूज करायचे आहेत. येस और नो? एका सिग्नल साठी I want to select any 2 flags out of these 4. So tell me, for the first slot how many options you have? For the first slot how many flags options you have? Yes, all the 4 flags I can use here for the first slot. Okay, then how many options you have for the second slot? 3 options. So in total how many signals you can generate using the flags? So I want a first flag as well as the second flag. See, understand the principle of addition and multiplication here. See, signal is generated from 2 flags म्हटलंय त्याने. Means what? We have to use both flags. We have to use first and second flags. फर्स्ट फ्लॅग साठी 4 ऑप्शन आहेत, सेकंड फ्लॅग साठी 3 ऑप्शन आहेत, अँड आय वॉन्ट टू यूज बोथ ऑफ दीज फ्लॅग्स टू जनरेट अ सिग्नल. कारण फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट सेज की फॉर अ सिग्नल यू रिक्वायर 2 फ्लॅग्स. So how many signals we can generate? So I want, yes. So I have to use the first flag and second flag. So as you are saying, and we have to multiply it, so it is 4 into 3 is equals to 12. That's it. This is the answer to this question. Understand, try to get the concept of addition करायची आहे का multiplication करायची. पहिल्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये, in the first question, either or दिया था उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है, a teacher wants to select a monitor, either a boy or a girl. दोनों के दोनों तो सेलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, मतलब एक ही को सेलेक्ट करना है दोनों में से. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट बोथ. यस और नो? एक्सलेंट, व्हेरी. आता ह्या वरच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये इफ सपोज आय मॉडिफाय दिस क्वेश्चन इन दिस वे, आय वॉन्ट टू सेलेक्ट 2 स्टूडेंट्स, 1 गर्ल and 1 boy, then what will be your answer? If I want to select 1 girl and 1 boy as a monitor, then what will be your answer? Yes, 30 into 20, that is 600. 30 into 20 will be my answer in that case, 600. Because now I want to select 2 students, 1 from boy and 1 from a girl. So that will be 30 into 20, that will be the 600. Is this okay? So very simple topic है, just need your concepts, no formula, nothing, the only concept. Okay, so how you will write down this question? Descriptive में कैसे लिखोगे? Given total number of flags available, total number of flags available, 4. For a signal 2 flags are required. Okay, 1 first flag. Okay, we'll write down first flag can be selected in 4 ways, and second flag can be selected in 3 ways. Therefore, and बोला है यहाँ पे, and therefore using principle of multiplication, total number of flags, or sorry, total number of signals, total number of signals for a signal नहीं है, हाँ yes, for a signal total number of signals is equals to what? 4 into 3, which is nothing but 12. Okay, is this okay? Okay, देखो अभी इसको अभी if I modify this question again, if a signal requires 3 flags, then what will be your answer? Excellent. If signal requires 3 flags, पहले स्लॉट के लिए 4 फ्लैग्स है, दूसरे स्लॉट के लिए 3 फ्लैग्स है, सो तीसरे फ्लैग के लिए कितने स्लॉट्स बाकी है, फ्लैग्स बाकी है, अभी 2 फ्लैग्स बाकी है. सो आंसर विल बी एट 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2. अभी सर कैसा है, घुमा के दे दो क्वेश्चन, हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे इसको, बिकॉज वी नो द कंसेप्ट. इज दिस ओके? लेट्स सी द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. लेट्स हैव द थर्ड क्वेश्चन हियर. Okay. Okay. So how many two-letter words can be formed using the letters from the word space when repetition of the letters is allowed and not allowed? Okay. Bit different type of question. Here we can see these two cases. Allowed repetition of words is letters is allowed and not allowed. Okay. We will see this one by one. First, let's understand the question. How many two-letter words, okay, mark this, 2-letter word चाहिए अपने को, can be formed using the letters from the word space. So I have the word space and you have to use the letters of this word which is SPACE, and I want to form 2-letter words. I want to form, please mute your mics please, and I want to form 2-letter words. So how many words we can form? 2-letter word बोला है तो 2 places ले लो यहाँ पे. So first place and second place. Now tell me how many options you have for the first place? 5 options. So you can use either of these, SPACE, either of these. So I have 5 options. Now for the second, how many options you have? 4. Okay, wait a minute, because यहाँ पे 4 है, because you have used any one of these 5. So this is nothing but a 4 into 5, which is nothing but 20. So this is the case when the repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Means what? Suppose you use S here, you cannot use S here. No. Suppose you use P here, you cannot use that P again here. That's why इथे 5 होता, तो इथे again it comes as a 4, because one letter you are using here, that letter cannot be used at the second place. But when the repetition is allowed, what will be the case, boss? For the first place, how many options you have? 5. Now for the second place, how many options you will be having? Again 5, because repetition is allowed, boss. अगर आपने यहाँ पे A यूज किया तो हम लोग यहाँ पे A यूज करने वाले हैं. We can use. That's why the 5 and 5 options we are having. So what is the answer to this question then? So ये हो गया 25. Okay. So ये हो गया not repetition and without repetition, and this is with repetition. I hope this is clear. Is this okay? Okay, very good. So how you can write in a descriptive way? सांगायचं है का? वही लिखना है जैसे हम लोग अभी तक लिखते आए हैं. ठीक है. Here given word is SPACE with letters S, P, A, C, E. Case number 1 or the first question, without repetition, okay, 2-letter word, first letter can be selected in 5 ways and second letter can be selected in 4 ways because repetition is not allowed. Therefore, using which principle? Therefore, using multiplication principle, total words equals to 5 into 4, which is 20. Okay. So I hope you can write the second one with repetition. लिख सकता सेम लिखना है यहाँ पे जब 4 की जगह पे 5 आएगा. दैट्स इट. एवरीथिंग विल रिमेन सेम. इज दिस ओके? ओके, लेट मी. ठीक आहे, लिहून घेतो. तुमच्याकडून रिप्लाय काही येत नाही बाबा लवकर. सो लेट्स राईट डाऊन. लेट मी कॉपी दिस. कॉपी अँड पेस्ट हिअर. paste here. Okay, so the second one we have in 5 ways again, and here your answer will be 5 into 5, which is 25. Is this okay? दिसत नाहीये का? Is this okay? Okay. So the answer to the first question is with repetition allowed म्हणलंय. So with repetition answer is 25. Without repetition answer is 20. Okay. So let's see the next one. Next question. Okay. ठीक है. So how many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 if repetition of digits is allowed and not allowed? Very good question. And please, we have to be very very careful when we see a villain here. Who is villain? This guy is villain. 0 villain है ये. क्यों? देखो इधर. Whenever it comes, it creates a problem for us. We have to be very alert. See here, जर हा जर 0 नसला असता, if we don't consider the 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, if suppose we have only these 4 digits, then we can form a 3-digit number very easily. Because here काय होईल, आन्सर काय होईल 3 digit साठी? How many options you have for the first place? 4, यहाँ पे 3 और यहाँ पे 2, which is nothing but 24. So 24 would be your answer. But when we see this 0 now, see here what happens. So total how many places you have? I want 3-digit number. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now see, let's have blue one. Now let's see. Always feel the place which has condition. Always feel the place first which has a condition. Means what? These are the places we have. First, second and third place. Now condition is on which place? What do you think? You want to form a 3-digit number. So if I use 0 here and 1 and 3 here, so this digit becomes 2-digit number. Current this is nothing but the 13. Means what? At the first place here I cannot use 0 to get the 3-digit number. Yes or no? I cannot use 0 here. No, I cannot use 0 here. So tell me how many options are suitable for this place? Why 2? You have, yes 4. You have total these many options with you, and here you cannot use 0. So you have only 4 options. Either you can use 1, 2, 3, 4. so you can use only 4 options. Now tell me for the second place how many options you have. Okay, see here. First we will consider the repetition is not allowed. Repetition not allowed case बघूया आपण आधी. You cannot use 0 at the first place, of course, but you can use 0 here and here also. So out of these 4 you have used one number here, so we have 4 option for this place. Now you can include 0 for this place. Now tell me how many options you have. Again 4 options. Repetition is not allowed consider करतोय आपण आधी. समजा ह्या 4 मधून तुम्ही 5 यूज केलात. Suppose out of these 4 numbers you have used 5 here. Now for this next place you cannot use 5, but you can use 0 here. So you have 0 or 1 or 3 or 6. So total 4 options we have here. Now at this place how many options now we can see? 3 options, because out of these 4 I have used 1. Maybe it's a 6 or 3 or 4 or 1 or 0. So here I will be having 3 options. Now what you will do with these 4, 4, 3? Multiplication, because I want all the 3 digits to make a 3-digit number. So 16, 48, 32 बरोबर आहे ना, 12 आणि 12 चौक 48, so it becomes 48. So answer is what? 48. अजून एकदा सांगतो, don't worry. Okay, see here you have the numbers 0, 1, 3 and 6. You have the numbers 0, 1, 3 and 6. So these नाही, अजून एक राहिला का काही, 5 and 6. हाँ, so it is 5 and it is a 6. Now I want to form a 3-digit number. Okay, चलो 3-digit number बोला, 1, 2 and 3. Now we will see the repetition is allowed. You can use the numbers number of times. No, कोई problem नहीं. Okay, but always remember that the condition or the thumb rule. This is the thumb rule, very important thumb rule. Okay, star mark कर दो, 5 star दे दो इसको. The condition जिस पे है ना वो place first fill करना है आपको. Now the number is 3-digit number, so what is the condition is you cannot 0 at the unit place. At this place you cannot use the 0. So how many options are remaining for this place? 4 options. Of course I can use any of these 4. Here for the second and third, now you can use 0 here. Yes or no? You can use 0. And repetition is allowed. So how many options you can see for the second place? 5. Excellent. So आता मी सगळेच्या सगळे numbers use करू शकतो इथे 5. And for what about the third place? Again 5. Again 5. Yes, very good. Okay, so what you will do with this? 4 into 5 into 5. 4 into 5 into 5. This is nothing but 100. Is this okay? ये हो गया रिपीटेशन अलाउड केस. अभी रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड में क्या होगा फिर? 1. Okay, we'll have 1, 2 and 3 places. For sure that we cannot use 0 at the unit place, so here I will be having only 4 options. But for the second and third place I can consider 0 now. See, out of these 5 digits you have used 1 here. You have used 1 digit here. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे किती राहिले हो तुमच्याकडे आता? So out of 5 नाही, out of 4. ठीक आहे, so it is 1. So for the this place, first place, you have only these 4 numbers, 4 digits. So out of this 4 you have used 1 here. So only 3 digits are remaining here. And for the second place now you can consider 0. Means what? This 3 plus this 0 means what? Total 4 options I am having here. because repetition is not allowed. The digit which you have used at this place, you cannot use at this place here. No, you cannot use. But you can include 0 here. 0 you can include here. Again, the digit which you have used here, you cannot use here. But the 0 you can include here. म्हणजे आता बघा, टोटल तुमच्याकडे किती होते? 5 होते. त्या 5 मधून तुम्ही इथे एक आणि इथे एक यूज करून टाकलात. राहिले किती हो? 3 राहिले ना. 4 4 आणि 3. So what is your answer? 40. So 4 into 4 into 3, which is nothing but 48. Is this okay? Any doubt? Any student, please? इथे तुमचे डाउट क्लिअर होणं खूप जास्त. हां, यस. Okay, see here. You have 0, 1, 3, 5 and 6. Okay, so we have 1, 2 and 3. Tell me how many options you have for the first place. ह्या प्लेससाठी किती ऑप्शन आहे तुमच्याकडे? 1 or 3 or 5 or 6. So you have 4 options. Okay, but you cannot have 0 here. But now you can have 0 at this place. Yes or no? At this place you can include 0. Okay, आता हा 0 एक ऑप्शन झाला तुमचा. आणि ह्या 4 मधून तुम्ही ऑलरेडी एक यूज केलाय. कुठला यूज केला माहिती नाही, पण एक यूज केलाय तुम्ही. मग ह्या 4 मधून किती राहिले हो? एक यूज केल्यावर 3 राहिले ना. म्हणजे हे 3 डिजिट्स आणि हे एक 0 डिजिट. Means total you have 4 options at this place. ठीक आहे. आता maybe consider that you have used 5 here. Let's see. Let's consider you have used 5 here. म्हणजे 5 गेला. म्हणजे काय? 0, 1, 3, 6 मधून ह्या 4 मधून तुम्ही एक नंबर यूज केला. So it is 4. Now for this second, for this third place, किती ऑप्शन्स राहिले तुमच्याकडे? Only 3 options. कारण ह्याच्यामधून मे बी सपोज यू हॅव यूज दिस 3. So only 1, 0, 1 and 6. These are the 3 options are remaining. So that's why it is 3. समजतंय का? Very good. Very good. Good. See, understanding the concept at this level is very very important because समोरचे questions एकदम जबरदस्त आहेत. Full concept, no formula, only concept. Is this okay? Perfect. Let's see the next one. Okay, the fifth question is very very easy. You will give the answer to this fifth question. Let's see who will solve this. Read the question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if digits can be repeated? Yes, solve please. सांगा. Okay, very good. So 125 will be your answer. बहुत इजी है बॉस. देखो जब 3 डिजिट बोला है तो 1, 2 and 3 डिजिट बोला है. पहिल्या डिजिटला किती ऑप्शन? कंडिशन दिले का कुठे? नाही, कंडिशन कुठेच नाही आहे. कंडिशन कुठेच नाही. सो यू कॅन प्लेस एनी डिजिट एनी प्लेस एनीवेअर. ओके, बट द कंडिशन, द नेक्स्ट कंडिशन इज गिव्हन एज रिपीटेड. सो इथे पूर्णचे पूर्ण नंबर यूज करू शकतो, इथे पण आणि इथे पण. सो व्हॉट यू विल डू विथ दिस 5, 5, 5? दिस इज नथिंग बट 5 to the power cube. 125. Yes, very good, multiplication. But if I change the question like this, if repetition is not allowed, then what? Yes, 5, 4 and 3. So it is 20 into 3 हो गया 60. So total you will have the answer as a 60. ठीक आहे. ह्याला डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह मध्ये लिहू शकता तुम्ही आता. So here we have total 5 digits. Okay, and for the first digit you have 5 options. For the second digit यहाँ पे repetition. For the first digit you have 5 options. Second digit again 5 options as repetition is allowed. Third digit also 5 options as repetition is allowed. Therefore using the multiplication theorem, principle, we have the total number of numbers is equals to 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125. Is this okay? Excellent. Next question. हाँ बोला. हाँ चला. Yes, same question मध्ये समजा मी इथे 0 टाकला. Excellent. So suppose we have 0, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose these are the numbers we have. आता रिपिटेशन, ओके 6 पण घ्या. सपोज नाउ I ask you to form a 3-digit number and repetition is allowed बोला. ओके, मग आन्सर काय येईल? फक्त ह्या प्लेसला 0 येणार नाही आहे. फक्त ह्या प्लेसला 0 येणार नाही आहे, बाकीच्या सगळ्या प्लेसला 0 येऊ शकतो. ह्या प्लेसला 0 नाही आहे मीन्स किती ऑप्शन आहेत तुमच्याकडे टोटल? आता 5 ऑप्शन्स आहेत. इथे किती ऑप्शन आहेत आता? नाही ना बॉस, 6 ऑप्शन्स रहेगा ना, बिकॉज 0 यू कॅन इन्क्लूड हियर. हियर यू कॅन यूज 0. मग इथे किती ऑप्शन येणार? थर्ड प्लेसला पुन्हा 6 येणार, कारण रिपिटेशन अलाउड आहे. रिपिटेशन अलाउड आहे ना. यू कॅन यूज एनी डिजिट एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. असं गडबड नको करू. एनीवन प्लीज, असं गडबड नका करू. समजा, कन्सेप्ट समजून घ्या. बघा इथे तुम्ही 0 नाही यूज करू शकत. ओके, सो टोटल नंबर किती आता डिजिटमध्ये 0 नाही आहे म्हणजे किती आहेत? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हे 5 ऑप्शन्स आहेत माझ्याकडे. नाउ फॉर द सेकंड प्लेस आय कॅन इन्क्लूड 0. सो टोटल पूर्णचे पूर्ण नंबर मी यूज करू शकतो ना यार सेकंड प्लेससाठी. सो टोटल 6 ऑप्शन झाले. ॲज रिपिटेशन इज अलाउड, दॅट्स वाय. मग थर्ड प्लेससाठी पुन्हा 6 ऑप्शन असतील, कारण पुन्हा रिपिटेशन अलाउड आहे. स्वप्नील, इज दिस ओके? ओके, हां ठीक आहे. आता हे रिपिटेशन अलाउड वाला केस था. रिपिटेशन अलाउड. नाउ लेट्स कन्सिडर रिपिटेशन नॉट अलाउड. लेट्स सी द कन्सेप्ट. हां, हू विल गिव मी द ऑप्शन्स नाउ? 5, 5. व्हेरी गुड, जमला, आता जमतंय. टोटल 6 ऑप्शन्स मधले 0 मी ह्या इथे नाही यूज करू शकतो. सो आय कॅनॉट इन्क्लूड 0. सो ओनली 5 ऑप्शन्स आर देअर. त्या 5 मधून समजा मी 1 यूज केला, 1 गेला, पण 1 0 इन्क्लूड झाला पुन्हा ग्रुपमध्ये, म्हणजे पुन्हा माझ्याकडे 5 ऑप्शन्स आहेत. व्हेरी गुड. नाउ आउट ऑफ दिस 5 आय हॅव युज्ड 1. सो द ओनली रिमेनिंग ऑप्शन्स आर व्हॉट? 4. गेटिंग? व्हॉट अबाउट अदर स्टुडंट्स? PK, PK समजतंय. निकिता J, निकिता S, अथर्व, साक्षांत, क्षितिज, कुणाल, सार्थक, केतकी, शलाका. ठीक आहे. सी प्लीज यू मेक शुअर दॅट यू आर अंडरस्टँडिंग दिस, कारण आता मला इथे तुम्ही दिसत नाही, सो आय कॅनॉट सी युअर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन्स. ठीक आहे, कारण क्लासमध्ये राहिलं तर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन बघूनच आपल्याला समजलं असतं की तुम्हाला समजलं की नाही. ते मला समजलं असतं. सो ॲज आय कॅनॉट सी हिअर, सो प्लीज मेक शुअर दॅट you are clearing your own doubts. विचारा, तुम्हाला डाऊट असेल तर पुन्हा पुन्हा विचारा. काही स्टुडंट्स डाऊट स्वतःहून विचारतात आणि त्यांचे डाऊट क्लिअर होतात. तुम्ही तुमचे डाऊट जर विचारला नाही तर ते क्लिअर होणार नाहीत. सो मेक शुअर दॅट प्लीज की तुम्हाला सगळं समजतं इथे. ओके, सो इट इज 7:65. सो आय थिंक वी शुड स्टॉप हिअर. सो व्हॉट आय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, देर आर again so many questions. 14 questions are there, so we have solved only 5 questions. ठीक आहे, so let's give a try for these remaining questions. ठीक आहे, आज एक्झाम झाल्यानंतर now you study for exam test. After that test you just give a try for these remaining questions, 6 to 14 questions, and you just try to solve these questions. उद्या आपण पुन्हा हे सगळे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करणारच आहेत, each and every question. बट तुम्ही सॉल्व केलात आणि आन्सर जर करेक्ट आला तर ती हॅपीनेस वेगळाच असतो. So just please give a try for these questions.
इज दिस ओके? ओके, विथ दिस वी विल स्टॉप हिअर. येस, PDF मी पाठवणार आहे नक्कीच, PDF आणि व्हिडिओ दोन्ही पाठवणार आहे. सो विथ दिस वी विल स्टॉप हिअर अँड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर युअर एक्झाम. थँक्यू.